Welcome to the LG Dryer educational video. I'm going to walk you through the amazing features of the LG Dryer, designed to meet all your drying needs. Whether it's big duvets, delicate clothes, this dryer has got you covered. Items suitable for cotton cycle: mixed cotton, jeans, shirts, trousers, linens. For your everyday items like cotton shirts, jeans, and mixed loads, you can select the cotton cycle. It's ideal for normal loads, excluding delicate fabrics like silk or wool. Items suitable for easy care cycle: polyamide, polyester, acrylic, non-ironable cloths. For clothes that don't need ironing, like polyamide, polyester, or acrylic, the Easy Care program is perfect. It dries them gently and efficiently, leaving them smooth and wrinkle-free. Items suitable for towels cycle: bath towels, bathrobe, small towels, microfiber towels. For your fluffy bath towels, the LG Dryer's Towels program is perfect. It ensures that towels are thoroughly dried, leaving them soft and ready to use. Items suitable for bedding refresh cycle: sheets, pillowcases, duvet covers, light blankets. Bedding refresh cycle gently removes odors, dust, and wrinkles from your bedding, leaving it crisp and revitalized. Perfectly refreshed, ready for your next cozy night. Items suitable for allergy care cycle: soft toys, baby cloths, bed sheets, baby bib. For sensitive skin, the Allergy Care program helps reduce allergens such as dust mites, ensuring that your laundry is not only clean but also safer. This is especially important for babies, as their delicate skin needs extra protection to stay healthy and free from irritation. Items suitable for sportswear cycle: gym outfits, yoga wear, running gear, and wristbands. For your workout gear, the sportswear program ensures delicate fabrics used in athletic clothing are dried with care. It's designed for sports and outdoor garments, drying them efficiently while maintaining their quality. Items suitable for duvet cycle: large duvet, comforters, pillows. One of the standout features is the duvet program, perfect for drying bulky items like duvets, giving them a fresh, fluffy feel with minimal effort. Items suitable for wool cycle: woolen, delicate clothes. For your woolens items, select the wool program. This cycle ensures that your wool fabrics are dried with care and precision, maintaining their softness and quality. Items suitable for quick dry cycle: small loads, t-shirt. In a hurry, use the quick dry cycle for quick drying of up to 3 small, lightweight items. Perfect for those moments when time is of the essence. Items suitable for outdoor refresh cycle: outdoor jackets and coats, hiking clothes. Experience the freshness of the outdoors without stepping outside. With outdoor refresh cycle, your clothes are revitalized in just 30 minutes, removing odors and wrinkles, all without a single drop of water. Items suitable for down jacket refresh cycle: down jackets, down vests. Keep your down jackets fluffy and fresh with Down Jacket Refresh Cycle. It gently revitalizes your favorite winter gear, removing odors and restoring warmth. Items suitable for cool air cycle: delicates, lightweight garments, pet bedding. Keep your clothes fresh and cool with the cool air cycle. Gently dry delicate fabrics with a breeze of cool air, reducing wrinkles and extending the life of your garments. Items suitable for warm air cycle: towels, socks, damp clothing. The warm air program is ideal for quickly drying small items like towels or damp clothing. Whether it's bath towels, dishcloths, or everyday fabrics, this program uses heat drying for rapid results. Items suitable for rack dry cycle: shoes, hats. For items that shouldn't tumble, like hats or shoes, the rack dry program comes in handy. Simply install the rack like this, and your items are gently dried without any movement. With the download cycle feature, you can customize your dryer by downloading additional and specific program via the ThinQ app. You can select special cycles that fit your laundry needs, such as deodorization or delicate items. And for families with kids, you'll love the child lock function. By pressing the anti-crease and delay end buttons together for 3 seconds, the control panel is locked, ensuring that your settings stay in place and curious hands don't interrupt your cycles. With all these incredible programs, the LG dryer ensures that your clothes are dried perfectly every time. From large loads to delicate fabrics, the LG dryer is here to make your laundry routine easier and more efficient. The most important steps in maintaining your dryer: cleaning the filters after every use. This ensures your dryer performs efficiently and safely. First, always clean the inner filter after every cycle. Simply pull it out like this. Open the filter and remove any lint trapped inside. Make sure the filter is completely dry before putting it back in. If the filter is moist, odors could develop inside the appliance. For the outer filter, remove it every 10 cycles, or when the dryer signals it needs cleaning. Remove the outer filter. Open the outer filter and clean the residual lint using a vacuum. Remember, never operate the dryer without the filters in place, and avoid removing or adding clothes when the filters are not installed, as lint could drop into the dryer and cause a malfunction. Once cleaned and dry, reinsert the outer filter and then the inner filter. Ensuring they're properly closed and secured will help your dryer perform at its best. Don't forget to empty the water container after each cycle. If your dryer isn't connected to a drain hose, just pull out the container. Empty it into the sink and put it back in place. This step is key to maintaining your dryer's performance. It's also important to clean the moisture sensor regularly. You can find the sensor at the front of the dryer door on the inside. This sensor detects the moisture level in your clothes and adjusts the drying time accordingly. Simply wipe it with a dry cloth to remove any buildup. LG Dryer also has a smart diagnosis feature, helping you troubleshoot any issues right from your phone. By following these simple maintenance steps, your LG dryer will keep your clothes perfectly dry and maintain its efficiency for many years. Let's take a look at how easy it is to install the LG dryer. Whether in your living room, laundry room, or any other space, it's designed for easy installation and placement flexibility. The LG dryer can be installed in various places, whether you want it in a designated laundry room or a convenient spot like the living room. The options are endless. One of the great features of the LG dryer is that it doesn't require water plumbing. This gives you the freedom to install it anywhere, whether next to your washing machine or in a separate area. But if you prefer, you can connect it to the drainage system for convenience. We offer a range of capacities up to 18 kilograms to suit every household. With these simple steps, you can easily set up your LG dryer anywhere you want, making your laundry routine more convenient and efficient. Let me introduce you to the LG ThinQ app, which allows you to control and monitor your LG dryer right from your smartphone. Whether you're at home or on the go, you have full control. Here is how you can connect your LG dryer to the ThinQ app in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the ThinQ app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on Add a device, and then choose dryer from the list. Step 4. Scan the QR code on your dryer. Step 5. Connect your device to Wi-Fi by selecting the right option for your dryer. Press and hold the Wi-Fi connection button on your dryer for 3 seconds. Go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select LG dryer. That's it. Your dryer is now connected to the ThinQ app. Enjoy extra features with ease. Want more drying cycles? Here's how you can download it. Step 1. On the dryer panel, select Download Cycle. Step 2. Select Dryer. Select Manage to browse the available cycles. Step 3. Choose the cycle you need, and tap Download. You'll receive a notification once the cycle has ended. Keep track of your dryer's energy usage effortlessly with the LG ThinQ app. Simply choose Energy Monitoring and get the results on your screen so you can easily track your energy consumption. Diagnosing your LG dryer is quick and easy with the LG ThinQ app. Just follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the ThinQ app and select your dryer. Step 2. Tap on Useful Features. Step 3. Choose Smart Diagnosis. Step 4. Press Get Started to begin the diagnosis process. If the report highlights any issues, please reach out to LG support in your country for assistance. With LG's dual inverter heat pump, enjoy faster drying times, quieter operation, fabric care that prevents shrinking, and energy savings. This advanced technology uses 2 cylinders, working efficiently to cut down noise and power usage while keeping your clothes safe. The dual pump adjusts speed to match each load, so you dry clothes faster, using less energy than conventional dryers. With consistent temperature control, LG's dryer ensures optimal drying performance, energy savings, and lasting fabric quality.